So guys, we're gonna play something. We're gonna play something else than wall hop, bro. Wall hop is what boring now. What about still a brain rot? Let's see here. Yo, no way, already a Rhinotosterino. I thought there was two. Can someone give me a Trolla? I'm poor. Something help me. Things that give me less. Bro, already a lion. Already a lion, bro. I really wanna buy that, but I can't. Let's go to index. Collect awareness for a 5 times base multi. Gold base is there. Wow, you can get a rainbow base candy. Candy base, diamond base. Gold base. What? There's even gold bases, bro. I want a gold bear so bad. Bombito, Babrito.